Have you ever wondered if robots could outsmart us one day? A thought that might send a chill down your spine or fill you with excitement about the possibilities. The key to this evolution lies in a technology we call artificial intelligence, or AI. Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems. It involves learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. What makes it unique, however, is its ability to learn and improve from experience, much like a human, but without our limitations. When we talk about robots, we're usually referring to machines designed to perform tasks with a high degree of autonomy. Now, when we infuse these robots with artificial intelligence, things start to get interesting. We transform these machines from mere tools into entities capable of learning and making decisions. AI works in robots through a complex yet fascinating process. Firstly, the AI system must gather data. This data can come from numerous sources, including sensors, the internet, or manual input. It then processes this data using algorithms. These are sets of rules that guide the AI in making decisions or predictions. Over time, the AI learns from the outcomes of these decisions, refining its algorithm for better accuracy. This process is known as machine learning. So what does all this mean for our future with robots? It means we're on the verge of witnessing a new era of technological evolution. Robots are no longer just pieces of machinery. They are becoming intelligent beings, capable of learning, adapting, and making decisions. In today's discussion, we've delved into the captivating world of artificial intelligence and its application in robots. We've learned that AI is the simulation of human intelligence by machines, and that it has the unique ability to learn and improve from experience. We've also discovered how AI is incorporated into robots, transforming them from mere tools into intelligent entities. As we look towards the future, let us not fear the rise of intelligent machines, but rather embrace the limitless possibilities they offer. After all, in a world where machines can learn, who knows what we might achieve together? Thank you for joining this journey into the world of AI and robots. Until next time, keep questioning, keep learning, and always stay curious about the world of technology.